Hello students, this is about the chemical reactions of carboxylic acid. This is the last part from the carboxylic acids and it is about chemical reactions shown by carboxylic acids. The reaction mainly shown by acids, these are reaction with metal. It shows a reaction with phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus pentachloride, thionyl chloride, reaction with ammonia, and it also forms acidic anhydride or acid that it shows the reduction reaction, decarboxylation reaction. So the reaction is mainly based on that which type of bond is broke in case of a carboxylic acid. Means the bond between the carbonyl group and hydroxy group is broken, it forms the different product, or bond between R that is alkyl group and C double bond OH group, it forms the different products. So that mainly the which type of cleavage is taken place in the carboxylic acid structure. According to that, it shows the different type of chemical reaction. When the breaking of bond between the RC double bond O and H, means that OH bond between that hydroxy group is broken, it shows the reaction with metals. Means when acids reacts with metal like sodium, potassium or zinc, it forms corresponding salt of that acid with the effervescence of H2. Remember here, as there is a effervescence of H2, removal of H2 means this reaction explains the acidic nature of carboxylic acid. It can also form the same type of product when acids react with sodium carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. Only the change is that here with the metal sodium, potassium or zinc, it shows the effervescence of H2, but with the Na2CO3 or NaHCO3, it shows removal of H2O and CO2. So, as these acids reacts with metal and effervescence of H2 takes place, this reaction explains the acidic nature of acids. The next reaction is breaking of bond between C double bond O and OH group. The reaction involving the cleavage of CO-OH bond. The reactions are mainly PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. Means when the carboxylic acid on heating with phosphorus trichloride or phosphorus pentachloride, phosphorus thionyl chloride, it gives the corresponding acyl chlorides. In this reaction, hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid is replaced by chlorine atom. See, in all this reaction, only OH group is replaced by Cl. And what is the name of the product? Acyl chlorides. First reaction is with the PCl3. When carboxylic acids, example acetic acid, reacts with PCl3, it forms acetyl chloride, CH3C double bond OCl with the side product phosphorus acid, POH thrice. Means from the PCl3, at phosphorus it removes in the form of phosphorus acid with the formation of product acetyl chloride, and in which what happened, only OH is replaced by Cl. Example, one more example, benzoic acid with PCl3. These reactions are shown by aliphatic carboxylic acid or aromatic carboxylic acid. According to that reactant, they form the corresponding product. When you are taking here benzoic acid as a reactant with the PCl3 on heating, it forms benzoyl chloride by the removal of phosphorus acid. So this is the when carboxylic acids are heated with the PCl3. When these acids reacts with the PCl5, the formation of product is same, like that it shows a similar type of reaction with the PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. Means what they form, acetyl chloride, that which contain that acyl group in that product. But only the change is that with the PCl5, it forms the side product phosphorus oxychloride, POCl3. Means that from the PCl5, phosphorus is removed in the form of phosphorus oxychloride, and that one more product here, side product is HCl. Means from that acetic acid, hydrogen, it is with the HCl. O from that hydroxy group, it forms POCl3, means that OH group is replaced by Cl, and it is used to replace that Cl group, to replace that OH group, PCl5 is used. Similar type of reaction for benzoic acid with phosphorus pentachloride, formation of benzoyl chloride. Reaction with thionyl chloride. Mainly the thionyl chloride is preferred for the formation of this acetyl chloride, as when you are using this thionyl chloride, that SO2 it removed in the form of gaseous, and that HCl is also very, removal of HCl is also very easily here by the distillation process, and therefore that process is very important for the preparation of this acetyl chloride or benzoyl chloride. Acetic acid with the thionyl chloride on heating, formation of the similar type of product acetyl chloride by the removal of SO2 and HCl. Similar type of conversion for the benzoic acid to benzoyl chloride. So this is all about the reaction of this acid with the PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. Next reaction is reaction with ammonia. Okay, the formation of product is amides. See how the reaction takes place in the two steps. First, acids when reacts with ammonia on heating, removal of H2O takes place, and by this, in the first that H2O it get added here, means it form O minus NH4 plus. In the first step, H2O is get added, means ammonium carboxylate is formed here. In the second step, see here that RC double bond ONH2 takes place by the removal of H2O. Means ammonium carboxylate salt by the removal of H2O it converted into the acid. So what we get here, that last product is amides which contain functional group C double bond ONH2. Here reaction in which RC double bond OH group with the NH3. First NH3 is with the H, it forms NH4, O minus NH4. It is called as ammonium carboxylate salt, and from that ammonium carbonate salt, for the by the removal of H2O they form the acid amides. Means the acid amides also prepared by reacting acyl chlorides with ammonia. Means if you are taken here acyl chlorides with NH3, then also what we get here, by the removal of Cl from acyl chloride, removal of HCl and formation of acid amides. Here example, acetic acid with NH3, formation of ammonium acetate. Okay, means only what is in the first step, NH3 is get added into acetic acid, into that OH group, formation of acetate, ammonium acetate, and on heating removal of H2 takes place and formation of acetamide which contain functional group C double bond O NH2. You can take here any acid, okay, which though it contain the more number of carbon atom, what is changed here, only C double bond O OH group is converted into C double bond O, and it remains as it is, only OH group is converted into NH2. If you are taken propionic acid with NH3, it forms ammonium propionate, and by the removal of H2O on heating, it forms propanamide. So this is about the reaction of acid with ammonia. For the aromatic carboxylic acid, like phthalic acid, which contains C double bond O OH group, twice C double bond OH group on that, these two carboxylic group are present on that benzene ring. That structure is called as phthalic acid with ammonia. We require here two molecules of ammonia, as that phthalic acid contain two carboxylic group. So what happened here? First NH3 it get added, it form O minus NH4 plus ammonium phthalate. Okay, both these hydrogen of phthalic acid, they are get added with the NH3, formation of ammonium phthalate. On heating, removal of H2O takes place. For the removal of H2O, see here first structure O minus NH4 plus. So from there removal of oxygen and removal of H2. So what is remain? NH2. Similarly for that next group, removal of oxygen and H2, formation of NH2. It forms phthalamide. Okay, C double bond O NH2. Then phthalamide, on strong heating, removal of ammonia takes place with the formation of a ring, and that ring is formed between this carbonyl group of this phthalamide, which they are joined by the NH, means as they form the phthalimide. Okay, C double bond O NH, C double bond O, that linkage it's called as phthalimide structure. So this is a reaction for the conversion of phthalic acid to phthalimide, okay, by this addition of ammonia. Next reaction, when these carboxylic acids reacts with this dehydrating agent or they are heated, okay, the formation of anhydride takes place. In that reaction, when these reactions are shown by these monocarboxylic acids on heating with strong dehydrating agent like phosphorus pentaoxide or concentrated H2SO4, they forms acid anhydrides. See here that in the structure that hydrogen of these acids and oxygen. Removal of H2O takes place, and by the removal of H2O, C double bond O group, that is carbonyl group of acids, they are joined by oxygen here, means they form the structure of anhydride. Reaction is reversible. Anhydrides are readily hydrolyzed back to acids on the addition of this H2O. What they form? Acids. This is a reversible reaction. So this is about the formation of anhydride, acid anhydride from carboxylic acids on heating with strong dehydrating agent like phosphorus pentaoxide. The anhydrides are also prepared by using the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acids when reacted with the acyl chlorides. Here RC double bond OCl. So what here? The removal of NaCl. Na plus and Cl minus. Removal of NaCl takes place. Okay, and RC double bond O of one, that sodium salt of carboxylic acid structure, and from here RC double bond O group, and from the acyl chlorides RC double bond O, they are joined by the oxygen, means formation of anhydride takes place from sodium salt of carboxylic acids, and better yield of acid anhydride is obtained by heating this acyl chloride with this sodium salt of carboxylic acid. See, this is the reaction. Overall reaction, carboxylic acids on heating with the P2O5, formation of anhydride. And the one more method to prepare this anhydride is by using the sodium salt of carboxylic acid with the acetyl chloride. Acyl chlorides and sodium salt of acids. Here, what are taken here? Acyl chloride means RC double bond OCl, and sodium salt of carboxylic acid RC double bond OONA. They are prepared by reacting this carboxylic acid with the separately with the thionyl chloride and NaOH. See first reaction, RC double bond OOH. Okay, that acids when react with the thionyl chloride SOCl2. What happened here? That OH group is replaced by Cl, means formation of acyl group RC double bond OCl takes place. See the second reaction, acids, and from that acids when reacts with the NaOH. Okay, so what happened here? Only hydrogen it is removed here, and ONA, that it is the removal of hydrogen, and what is get added here? Na plus. By the removal of H2O, it forms sodium salt of carboxylic acid. So in that reaction, when these products which we get from the carboxylic acid are these two products, acetyl chloride and sodium salt of carboxylic acid, and when they are heated, removal of NaCl takes place. Cl from the acyl group and Na from the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Removal of NaCl takes place with the formation of anhydride. Means we prepare here anhydride from acid. First acid converted into their acetyl chloride and sodium salt of carboxylic acid, and then both there when heated, formation of anhydride takes place. This is the overall reaction for the conversion of acid to anhydride. The next reaction is for the breaking of bond between alkyl group and carboxylic group. Here that bond which is present in between the R and C double bond OH. Okay, that bond is breaks, and due to that it forms the different products. That reaction is known as decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. As the sodium salt of carboxylic acids when heated with the NaOH. Okay, that formation of RH. See here, the sodium salt of carboxylic acid, these are the products when the acid reacts with the this NaOH. So it forms the sodium salt of carboxylic acid. And when the sodium salt of carboxylic acid reacted in presence of NaOH and CaO on heating, formation of hydrocarbons like RH with the removal of Na2CO3. Here the bond between R and C double bond O is break, and therefore it forms the products which contain R by the removal of all the C double bond OO and formation of hydrocarbons. If I take an example, sodium acetate. Okay, sodium acetate, it is a derivative of carboxylic acid. R C double bond O OH group, and it forms when it reacts with this NaOH, it forms sodium acetate. And when that sodium acetate is reacted with the NaOH and CaO, the mixture of this NaOH and CaO is called as soda lime. And on heating with this acetate with the soda lime, formation of methane. See here in the reactant, the bond, which bond is break here? CH3 and C double bond O. That bond is break, and due to that, it forms the side product Na2CO3. Sodium it remove in the form of Na2CO3, and it forms the main product hydrocarbon, and it is methane when sodium acetate reacts with the soda lime. So this is about the decarboxylation of carboxylic acid. As the removal of Na2CO3 takes place, it called as a decarboxylation reaction. And one thing is here, you have to remember here that whatever that we get here, that sodium salt of carboxylic acid on heating with the soda lime, it gives the hydrocarbon, and which contain one carbon atom less than the carboxylic acids. Means now see, for the sodium acetate it contain 2 carbon. For the sodium acetate it contain 2 carbon atom, one that is the C double bond O, that carbon, and one is CH3. But in the product we get CH4 which contain 1 carbon atom. So means we get here the product which contain 1 carbon atom less than the carboxylic acid. Next reaction is for the reduction of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acids are reduced to the primary alcohol by stronger reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride. Means we are just adding here these hydrogens by using lithium aluminum hydride. They also reduced by diborane. Okay, but they does not reduce the diborane. It not reduce C double bond OR or NO2 or halide group. Okay, and sodium borohydride does not reduce carboxylic group. Means what we use here, only lithium aluminum hydride. So, or we can use here diborane. With the lithium aluminum hydride, it is a stronger reducing agent. Carboxylic acids are converted into primary alcohol. See what happened here? That carbonyl group C double bond O group, that changed here, means only we add here hydrogen which form bond with one hydrogen, it get added with the carbonyl carbon of that carboxylic acid group, and one hydrogen is with the carbonyl oxygen. Means carbonyl C double bond O, that structure is converted into the CH2 by the addition of this hydrogen by using the reducing agent lithium aluminum hydride. Example, acetic acid with the lithium aluminum hydride. Now see here, C double bond O. Only what happened? One hydrogen is form bond with the carbon and one with the oxygen. Therefore, the C double bond O group is converted into CH2, formation of ethanol from acetic acid. Similarly, when propionic acid with the LiAlH4, it forms propanol. The number of carbon atom remains same. The OH group is remains same. Only C double bond O group is converted into the CH2 structure. So this is about the reduction of acids. Means when acids undergo the reduction, formation of alcohol takes place. So here this is about the chemical reactions of carboxylic acids. When these acids shows the reaction with metal, they form the salts with the effervescence of H2 gas. When all these acids reacts with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2, in all these reactions, the formation of acyl chloride takes place. With the reaction, ammonia, acids, they are converted into amides, RC double bond O NH2. And when the two molecules of carboxylic acid combines with the loss of H2O molecules, the formation of acid anhydride takes place. The next reaction is decarboxylation reaction. Carboxylic acid, when reacts with the soda lime, that is NaOH and calcium oxide, on heating, decarboxylation reaction takes place and hydrocarbons are formed. And the reduction of carboxylic acid yields into alcohol. So this is all about the chemical reactions of acids. Thank you.